Hello everyone, I'm Otis. Welcome back to my channel today. In this video, I will guide and show everyone how to use hundreds of TikTok accounts to upload videos simultaneously. Okay, let's get started. First, we will go to the Tools section. Then we will select the Video Upload section. Select the accounts you want to post to. Next is the interval between two actions, from 5 to 10 seconds, and we will configure direct video uploading right here in this tool. I will choose a video, then we save it. Next, each account will upload one video, without duplicates. Next are hashtags. I won't be using hashtags here, and the post will be public. Below, there will be many more options for you to choose from. There. Once completed, you just click Start. The tool will then automatically open these TikTok accounts and upload videos for you. There. Okay, so my guide ends here. If you find this video good and helpful, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a share. And don't forget, if you want to own the tool I'm using, please message me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you all in the next video.